Hey everyone, it's 8:41 p.m. on Thursday, June 24th, 2021, and right here is a 52-inch antique brass NuTone Verandah 2 ceiling fan, manufactured, I think it was either 1988 or 1989. I don't remember right off the bat. I'll put it in the description as soon as I find it out, the exact date of it. And this fan was manufactured by Kontrust / Top Union. That's the motor manufacturer. That company manufactured the motor for the NuTone, and it operates very similar to a Casablanca or Emerson ceiling fan from that time period. I guess NuTone wanted to compete with those brands, and that's why they developed this model. Yeah, it stays true to its heritage. And you can, first, let me show a little light on the situation. There. Yep. Those vents are very NuTone. They're unique to NuTone. And so is the sideband right there on their typical, on its predecessor model. There's the unique NuTone canopy right there. And if you go close to it, see a rubber flywheel right there. See those spokes in it? Looks just like a Casablanca flywheel, but it's totally different than that. There's a reverse switch. And it came just as you see it, complete with the globe and all. Let's have a look at the blades. Nice gloss walnut. A little dusty back. I'll deal with that later. And I put two tassel pull chains on it, as you can see. And I got this fan on Facebook Marketplace almost a year ago, along with its white and polished brass twin. And they're both the 3-speed model, and NuTone did market a model called the Select Touch, which has virtually the same principle as a Casablanca IntelliTouch, where it uses a wall control and it's computerized. And like I said, I think it's another factor to make NuTone want to compete with Casablanca. And that being said, let's just rev it up first on low. It's got a nice low to it. And medium. It's moving a good bit of air from medium. See the tassel moving. That's a good sign the airflow is good. And let's increase the breeze by bumping it to high, shall we? It's putting out a really good breeze on high, let me tell you what. Feel that? These are some of my favorite ceiling fans of all time. I just love these NuTones. And now let's do spin down. Bearings are really good on this fan. And I don't know if I mentioned, but this model of NuTone with the motor manufactured by Kontrust / Top Union has a flywheel that can accommodate both 4 or 5 blade configurations. And since all 5 blades were present, I decided to try it with all 5. Why not? I might try it with 4 eventually, who knows? That depends on how bored I get. And if some of you remember, I had a white and polished brass Sea Island, NuTone Sea Island here for a while. Didn't really... I mean, I like the Sea Island, but not as much as this. I mean, as much as I do like the Sea Island model, I think they're a little underpowered. But they're better than most of the crap made today. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.